of time, so many still reach out to Him with broken hearts and minds, and every one of them will say, with no exception, that they find that Jesus never fails. Even in the days that gone, He brought His people food, and then He came and showed His love and died for me and you, and He rose again to prove that every story had been true, that Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. You might as well get leave behind me, Satan. You can always learn, because Jesus never fails. Sometimes the world brings troubles. I found it hard to bear. I know I would not make it without Jesus being there. It's so encouraging to know, however deep we're in these times, that Jesus never fails. So what can I do to prove to you? Tell me, how can you deny? No untold facts, no mysteries. It's so kind of tried. On the weakest stand of your life, I'll be the first to testify that Jesus never fails. Jesus
Bakit pag-unayan tayo mga minamahal nating dakilang Diyos? Ang Diyos hindi bumibigay.
Sometimes the world brings troubles. I found it hard to bear. I know I would not make it without Jesus being there. It's so encouraging to know, however deep we're in these times, that Jesus never fails. So what can I do to prove to you? Tell me, how can you deny? No untold facts, no mysteries. It's all so kind of tried. On the weakest end of your life, I'll be the first to testify that Jesus never fails. I know Jesus never fails. fails.
natin ang
I
ating mga
know
pagod.
Jesus
Makipag-usap tayo sa mahal na Panginoon. Ang mahal na Panginoon, napakabuti mo namin naman. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
You cannot prevent because Jesus never fails. I know Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. You might as well you cannot prevent because Jesus never fails. I know Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. You might as well you cannot prevail because Jesus never fails. I know Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails.
Hallelujah!
You might as well
Hallelujah!
be Satan. You because Jesus never fails. I know Jesus never fails. Because Jesus never fails. I know Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. You might as well because Jesus never fails. Because Jesus never fails. We know Jesus never fails.
Hallelujah!